Hello, and welcome to CSUL Learning Series. In this video, we are going to watch the procedure of adding a voucher. Let's begin by logging into the CSUL. You can log into CSUL by providing your user ID, password, and then selecting the database instance from the list. On the left side of Dashboard, you will find Main Navigation Panel and a search bar. The voucher option is listed under GL's Transaction section. You can also search Voucher using Search field by typing Voucher and selecting the Voucher module. On the main screen of Voucher section, you will find the list of previously created vouchers. You can click on any voucher in the list and open it for viewing. On the right side of every card, there are options for editing, printing, and deleting that particular voucher. On the top right corner, there's a button with plus sign. Clicking this button will take you to Voucher Addition form. Let's add a new voucher now. Select and enter voucher's date first. Selecting voucher type is critical. You should select the appropriate voucher type from the list. Available types are bank payment voucher, bank receipt voucher, cash payment voucher, credit record voucher, cash receipt voucher, journal voucher, transfer voucher, and transfer voucher reversal. Select voucher type and then select requisition number if this voucher is against any payment requisition. Payment requisitions are recorded separately. Here, as we have selected bank payment voucher in voucher type, we need to provide the check type as well. Available check types are regular check, open check, and post-dated check or PDC. Requisition type, as we mentioned earlier, will be selected from any available payment requisitions. In the bank subtype field, you need to provide the method of payment transfer you're using from bank. It may be online transfer, wire transfer, check, credit card, or ATM transfer, etc. The next field asks you to select the cost center. Select Related Cost Center here. If payment is going to be made through a PDC, provide the posting date. A settlement account is used to specify the account involved in a transaction, whether for receiving or disbursing funds. For payments, this may refer to a bank account or cash account, while for receipts, it could be a customer account or a revenue account. Select the currency used for this payment. Since this is a demo based in Saudi Arabia, the default currency is Saudi Riyal. If you choose a currency different from the default, you will need to provide the exchange rate against the Saudi Riyal. If the default currency is selected, the exchange rate field will remain inactive. Provide check number. It's a required field. When you will finish entering number, a small tooltip beneath the field will appear, asking you to create check number into records. Enter check date. The Pay to field will hold the name of the beneficiary of this check. In Draw to field, provide the bank and its branch name where this check will be drawn. Let's come to the transaction part of this voucher. Here, you need to select the account head or party related to this payment. Pressing Enter in the field will open a pop-up with a list of account heads to select. Select your desired account. Select Cost Center. If this is a debit voucher, enter the amount in Debit VC field. Otherwise, enter Value in Credit VC. For foreign currencies, the Debit LC and Credit LC will show the calculated figures accordingly. Also, the total fields will be updated. Add narration for this voucher. Click Save on top right corner. This action will save your voucher and take you back to the list. You will notice that your newly added voucher is in the list now. You can also print your voucher from the Voucher Edition screen or from this list as well. Open Voucher to see the printing. You can print Voucher from two different ways. Select Voucher from pull down and click Printer icon. Here it is. Your bank payment voucher is ready to print in PDF format. Now try the second type of printed voucher. Select Extended Voucher from the list and click the printer icon. Your printable extended voucher will be ready in PDF format. Thank you for watching.